Hello there. So hello there. Today is Tuesday. First, let me put on GBP USD. GBP USD. So yesterday there was a very funny move which happened, and that move destroyed our analysis for yesterday. So yesterday Trump said that he was not going to attack Iran, that they are trying to mediate this story. So first of all, is there anyone listening to me? So our analysis was very simple. So our analysis for yesterday was that price. So our analysis was very simple. So our analysis for yesterday was that price was going to get to around this level here. so to 1.33950, and then when it got to 1.395, 1.3395 or 1.34000, you'll have a huge sale. But anyway, what happened then after that is that price decided to go down. Oh, to go up. So from this point, this was just a sudden move. A sudden move which we had not anticipated. So it's a sudden move which we had not anticipated. And then that sudden move came and touched this level here. So 34,700. There was a bit of reaction from around what time? From 5. Which went around 80 pips. So this move went around 80 pips. And so today, price has gone back to our previous 2 weeks high. Okay, so this was the high of 10th March. So price came and wicked inside that low of 10th March on 19th March, and then it has retested that level again yesterday. Using the energetic move, by the energetic move it made yesterday. So the question is the dollar getting stronger or is the dollar getting weaker? And for me, the dollar is still getting stronger every second, every day. However much you may not like it, but the dollar is not yet up to the point of selling. Yes, we are letting go of the dollar as the strongest currency or as the world's reserve, but still my wish is for the dollar to get to these levels. But the way the dollar is behaving right now is that if it breaks below this level here, there's a huge probability that we might be seeing a start of a longer sale. But remember, for me, my bias was a strong dollar, a bullish dollar. A bullish dollar up to 105. That is what I had said yesterday during the live session. So yesterday I said that the dollar, I'm looking for the dollar to buy. Okay, but right now we're at a critical point. If you look at that critical point very well, price is reacting from this level, this level, this level, this level here. Okay, so in fact the only thing I can tell you right now, if you're listening to me, is be patient for to see whether the dollar is going to do what, to see whether the dollar is going to get to this, okay, to this level there, that level there. So now price has two options. We can decide to either go below and then close above, and then give us a second entry. Okay, that is if the direction has changed. Our confirmation for a sell side will be below 98. Below 98 what? 98.73. Okay, that is a daily time frame analysis of the dollar. The other analysis is now the other analysis, if I would try to simplify it, yeah, so if price is able to clear this blue line completely, go below and then close below, it means that we have begun the long journey to a continuous sell, right? So something like that. Otherwise, the other simple route is for price to break above 100. Once price is able to break above 100, then we'll continue to the moon. That is, we get to 105 now. We can get to 105 easily. So to this level here. So for now, my only work as a trader is being patient enough or waiting. So when we wait, we can be able now to do, to get in confidently. Okay, but before then, I just wish, or I would just urge you to just wait. Okay, that is the dollar. So that means GBP USD, Euro USD, we would like to know what is happening first. What is the direction? Alright? Now for gold, it's just the same analysis. There's no different thing we are doing here. So the other pair is US30. Points. So now maybe what I want to see is price continuing in the same direction, not a buy, a sell, because obviously we were trending downwards. So during the New York session, if we have a proper entry, we can continue to sell. Even GBP USD, by the way. So even GBP USD, once we start seeing during New York session, if price action will be, or if the market will be trending, we'll be looking for a sell on GBP USD. Why? First of all, we have to maintain the bearish direction of the GBP futures pair. So the pound futures, they are adding more shorts to the longs. No, they're adding more longs to the they're adding more shorts to their positions. In fact, the last week they took out some longs, and then they added those longs to the shorts. Okay, so today I will be expecting that maybe price will give us an entry to these levels here down now. Okay, after all, we can say that now this is the high of the week. Now this can become the high of the week. So this is the high of the week. That's the high of the week. And when we have a high of the week being formed, we expect that that week is going to be a selling week. Okay? So unless that level is broken, unless we completely dismantle that level, okay, unless we close above 34,700, then I am still going to be looking for a bearish momentum. And the question is, do we have news today? So we have news today. We have news at 4:45 p.m. So during that time, we also have news tomorrow at 10. What? God. So today we have news at 4:45. Tomorrow we also have news